Welcome to our lesson about creating a linear sketch pattern. Let's right-click on Sketch 2 and select Edit Sketch. First, I'm going to create a construction line. From here to here, right-click and select to close the tool. Now let's activate the Linear Sketch Pattern tool. The pattern direction along the X and Y axes is already pre-selected. Instead of axes, we can select sketch lines or solid edges. I'm going to scroll down and select the entities to pattern. I'm going to select this circle. Distance, let's increase to 20 millimeters. Number of instances, 4. I'm going to check the Dimension X spacing and Display Instance Count options. I'll talk more about these in just a second. Let's enter a value of 10 degrees here. In order to activate Direction 2, we need to increase the number of instances. Let's say to 3. And the distance to 20 millimeters. Let's leave the same two options checked, Dimension X spacing and Display Instance Count. Let's open up the Instances to Skip control area. To select an instance to skip, we do it right in the graphic area with a left click on the fuchsia dots, and the instance disappears. Let's accept our work. Here's the distance value. We can increase it right here. Number of instances, 5 for example. Here's the angular value, and accept. If you want to edit the linear pattern, simply select the instance in the graphic area and right-click, select Edit Linear Pattern. Let's accept and close the Property Manager. And let's exit our sketch. And this concludes our lesson about creating a linear sketch pattern.